Hey guys, in this video watch me take down my old cornrows, 4 months cornrows, very old. And then here I was about to style her giving her kinky afro wig, and then I have a video of it. The video I uploaded before this is the video, and then make sure to check out that video if you are looking for afro natural looking kinky wig. The video will also be in the description box. If I am to put on a wig, this is the way I normally tie my hair, and I will put on a wig cap. And I decided to wait extra 2 weeks. I kept the old cornrows for extra 2 weeks, and then you can see how it looks right now. Very old. And then the cornrows begging for help. And then what I will do right now is to go ahead and apply Freedomstyles magic hair growth oil on my scalp. I usually co-wash my cornrows. If I am having my cornrows, I usually co-wash my cornrows every 2 weeks. Depends on what you want. You can be co-washing your old cornrows every week or even every day if you want. But I usually co-wash my old cornrows every 2 weeks. I have a video of it on Freedom Beauty YouTube channel, which I will put in the description box below. Don't forget that I have 3 YouTube channels. This very one, Freedomstyles, Freedom Beauty, and the Freedom's Life. And I will go ahead and apply the Freedomstyles magic hair growth oil. I showed you guys my scalp. You can see my scalp very neat. You can see the neatness of my scalp because I usually co-wash my old cornrows. What I will do now is to spray in a little bit of water on my scalp because I'm very sensitive. I can't stand pain, guys. Like this, make sure the water wets my scalp, and spray it all over my head like this, especially on my scalp. Make sure to also massage along while spraying in the water. What I did first was the oil, and right now water, and I will not be using much product. After taking down the old cornrows, I will co-wash my hair. As you guys can see, round I did single braids, and I have a video of this whereby my husband helped me in doing crochet braids using these cornrows, and I will put the video in the description box below. If I am to take down my old cornrows, it takes time, and I usually get help taking down the old cornrows, and we do it gradually. If you are to keep your cornrows long, I will advise you to make sure to always co-wash, because having water on your scalp is also very necessary for hair growth. And if you are also interested to order my oil, I will put the details in the description box, and then you can check out Freedom Beauty to get details also to see the oil. And then you can see the build up, what you guys are seeing, and the build up you guys are seeing the product I am applying while having the cornrows on. And then my hair is also very dry. That is the reason why I sprayed in water, and I applied Freedomstyles magic hair growth oil on my scalp. And then he will just be happy while me, I am also losing the cornrows. I usually cut my hair frequently. If I lose my old cornrows, I will just trim out from my hair. I think right now I am not even after getting long hair. I'm so tired of having long hair. And before I was just thinking of, oh, I want to grow my natural hair. I want my natural hair to grow very long. But right now I'm no longer interested. I think I preferred having short hair because it will be easier to manage. If natural hair is very long, it will be very hard to manage, especially when you are having 4C like me. You know, my hair is 4C. It takes time if you are to manage it, twist it, co-wash, do this, do that. But having short inches, very easy to manage. Before I was interested in getting long hair, but not now. Getting help from my hubby, he was happy, which I'm very grateful that he's so good with it. I usually love to work on my natural hair when I am 100% free. I will just sit down, apply leave-in conditioner, spray in water, apply my oil, and then comb gradually. If you want your hair to grow, don't stress your hair. Avoid stressing your hair. If you are stressing your hair won't grow. But if you just allow your hair to breathe, put on protective wig now and then your hair will really grow. And if you also want me to show you guys or styling my natural hair on my YouTube channel, don't forget to comment in the description box, because I am thinking of styling my natural hair more, doing videos of me styling my natural hair on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment in the description box.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
I'm also going to trim this hair, and what I did, I decided to go ahead and co-wash my hair, and I trim out from my hair, and then you can see it. If you have questions regarding my natural hair, don't forget to comment in the description box. If you usually keep your cornrows longer, 3 or 4 months or even more than, comment in the description box. Let's interact. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.